Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And a viewer or subscriber sent me an email questioning the table tool. And I know very little bit about the table tool. I've used it for making name badges or tags if they're going to be square or cut out square pieces, because there is actually individual lines. Um, I guess I'll have to ungroup it, but there are individual lines here, and it's not going to double cut. So that's the only reason I've ever used it. But the question they had was, they've got text, and when they click on the text property bar is gone, so they can't change anything. Well, you can go to text, and they almost answered their own question, because go to text property Docker, and you can do a lot. You can change it to Andy. You can make it 100 points. You can make it center justified. I guess I don't have the table clicked. You can do center justified. So there's a lot to do with it, but that's pretty much the extent of my knowledge. But I hope I answered their question if they wanted to set something up. That's the table tool. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.